let's get into this Taco Tuesday. I know this is not a Jamaican, a Island Girl classic. This one is a Mexican. But as a Jamaican living in Canada with Canadian kids, we have to explore and we have to try new things. Now, if you are giving up meat for Lent, this is a perfect choice, a perfect quick and easy dinner idea. I'm using 2 cans of beans in tomato sauce, and you just cook up that nice with your seasonings. And what's good about it is that I bought the taco mix, and it has the seasoning and the taco sauce in it, which I use when I'm cooking the beans. You want to cut up your lettuce and your tomato, which other vegetables you would like to add, shredded cheese and some sour cream. I like using this one here. I don't remember what it's called, but I prefer to break it up rather than using the taco shells. This one is a Chipotle flavor, which was so good. So I did mine like a haystack, like a layered version of a taco style, while my son had his in the taco version. So after it's layered, then I go ahead and I serve my beans on top. Now, because the beans is hot, then I sprinkle the cheese on top. Then after the cheese, then I go ahead and add my vegetables. This is such a quick and easy, and it is filling. Don't underestimate this, because you're getting your protein, you're getting your vegetables and other carbs. So you choose if you want the tacos or if you want to break up the taco shells like this. This is so quick and easy. Let me know if you've tried tacos before. What do you usually add to your taco? I don't usually like ground beef, so I've never done ground beef tacos. I've done jerk chicken taco before. I did that maybe last week. And this I usually rotate maybe once or twice for the month, because it is so easy. The days when I don't feel like being in the kitchen for hours or for too long, this is like a half an hour quick whip up. And I like to add my sour cream to it. And that was a weekday dinner for us. Tell me if you will be trying this. Let me know in the comments, and let me know what else you would add to your taco. Thanks again for sticking around, watching Yashika in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you.